Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you're all fine. Today, date is 4 5 2020. I am your maths teacher. Today, we are going to learn Unit 14. Topic is turns and right angles. First, before enter into topic, what is turns? What is turns? Turns is movement in the circular path. Okay, turns are movements in the circular path. Today we are going to learn the turns. What is turns and what is right angles and problems related with that. Okay. First, turns. What is turns? Turns is move in circular direction. That is movement in circular direction. For example, I can tell turns with watch and clocks. We are using our hand watch, no wrist watch. That watch you can see turns. And the clock also you can see the turns. Okay. Turns means move in circular direction. There are two types of turns. One is clockwise and another one is anti-clockwise turns. Okay. Clockwise means you could see your clock. The direction is from the 12. It will move like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That direction is clockwise. Anti-clock turns means that same thing in the opposite direction. Okay. So normal we are using the clocks. No, all the clocks are turns in the principle of clockwise. Okay. Take your workbook, page number 87. Challenge 1. Draw lines to match the directions on the circles. The first one is circle clockwise. In the first picture you can see that is clockwise. From the 12 it is moving. See the arrow from the 12 to it is moving. They draw till 8 o'clock. That is they are moving in the direction of from 12 to this side. That is clock rotating side. Okay, students. See in the next one, they draw the green color arrow mark. That is anti-clockwise from 12 to this side. This side they have written. This side means left side. From the left side they have drawn the arrow. That is green color arrow is indicating anti-clockwise. Okay. This side is clockwise. Okay. Normally, in which turns the clocks used to rotate? Clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise means against, that is opposite to clockwise direction. You can see both the things in this picture. Page number 87. Use your pencil and draw a line. Join these dots using a pencil and draw a thick line. The first picture is clockwise. You join the dots. On the second picture, you dot the joints using anti-clockwise direction. Okay, students. In this, I have shown the first image is clockwise and the second image is anti-clockwise. You all understand this? Okay. Thing is challenge 2. Mark the directions on each circle. The first is a half turn clockwise. What is the first they have asked? Half turn clockwise. First we have to draw clockwise. Okay. And we have to stop till the half only. You can see this image. I have drawn for you. See this? This is the circle. I draw with the red pen only half. That is in which direction? See the arrow mark? That is in the clockwise direction. you also make a draw a arrow mark like this. Okay students, the first image is indicating half turn clockwise. The next one read a quarter turn anti-clockwise. Okay, see this for anti-clock. To indicate the anti-clock, I have drawn with the black sheet. See the red color marker. In the opposite direction, I put the arrow mark. And this is only quarter. See, quarter only I joined. Other thing I left as such. I didn't join the dots. You know, no? Quarter means till this only. Okay, this is quarter turn anti-clockwise. The next is a whole turn clockwise. See the direction, the clock rotating direction I marked as arrow, and I draw complete circle with the red pen. Correct? So this is whole turn clockwise. And the next one, whole turn anti-clockwise. See, I put complete red circle, but see the direction in the opposite side. I draw in the opposite side. So this is the whole turn anti-clockwise. Okay. The next is half turn anti-clockwise. See, in this I join the dots till half circle and I draw the arrow in the opposite of the clock direction. So this is the half turn anti-clockwise. Okay students. The next one is a quarter turn clockwise. This image is indicating the quarter turn clockwise. Only quarter I draw a line with a red pen and I mark the direction as clockwise. Okay students. I hope you all understand this. And the next thing is right angle. What is right angles? Do you have any idea of right angles? Okay, before explain deeply, first I will give the definition. Okay, an angle of 90 degree. What is right angle? An angle of 90 degree as in the corner of a square. Okay, as in the corner of a square. See, this is the right angle. Simply in simple words we can tell the L shape. Exact L shape. Capital L is there, no? That exact capital L shape. If you draw, you will get 90 degree. This is same like the corner of the square. You can imagine. This is the corner of the square. So this shape is called right angles. This angles is called right angles. Okay students. It can be in any position. Okay. In a circle, it can be in any position. That is, this is in any turns. Any quarter turns. It may be the clockwise turn. It may be the anti-clockwise turn. It may be in this side, left side, right side, upward, downward, any direction. But they are the quarter turns. That may be the clockwise turns or anti-clockwise turns. Okay students. Take your workbook, page number 88. First, challenge 1. Color the arrows that are right angle. See the first image like this. In this shape, you can see the L shape. That is the mirror image of L shape you can see. So you can color this with color pencil. You can color this arrow. See the next one. Is this any L shape is there? Is this any square corner is there? No. So you need not color that one. The next image. Is there any square corner is there in this image? Any L shape is there? No. So no need to color that one. The next one, see. This you can see easily. Okay. Here you can see the square corner. So you can color this with color pencil. And the next one, this also you can see here. Okay. This also rectangle. So you can color this one. And the next one, see here, the next image also right angle, because you can see the square corner shape. Okay students, you all understand this? What is right angle? That is like corner of the square. You can imagine, you can close your eyes and imagine the square, that corner, the two lines are joining, no, that corner. Okay, that corner is 90 degree. Where I put cross with the red mark, that is not right angles, that is not having any right angles. Other four images are having right angles, so you can color that things. Okay, next your homework is worksheet. Do your homework. Okay students, okay, take care. Thank you. Bye.